Are you using bone meal in your garden? Think twice. Let's cover the hidden risk of bone meal and discover better eco-friendly alternatives. Why you should avoid bone meal? Number one, attract unwanted pests. Bone meal has a strong smell that attract rodent, raccoons, even dogs. They may dig your plants, ruin your garden overnight. Problem number two, risk of bacterial contamination. Many commercial bone meal fertilizer come from factory farms and may contain harmful bacteria like E. coli, Salmonella, which can make plant unsafe for consumption. Problem number four, not sustainable and vegan friendly. One meal comes from animal byproduct, often from factory farms that contribute to the environment pollution. If you are committed to organic, crucial-free farming, it's not best choice. Problem number four, not sustainable and vegan friendly. One meal comes from animal byproduct, often from factory farms that contribute to the environment pollution. If you are committed to organic, crucial-free farming, it's not best choice. So, what's the better alternative? Let's talk about two powerful natural fertilizers. Number one, wood ash, a secret weapon for your garden. Wood ash is not just left over from fireplace. It's natural fertilizer packed with potassium and trace minerals. Why this is the better alternative? Because boost soil pH. If your soil is too acidic, wood ash help balance pH naturally, making nutrients more available to the plant. Because more of the gardener use. Second, wood ash rich in the potassium and calcium, essential for strong root growth and disease resistance. Calcium and potassium both are very much required for big plants and fruiting plants more than the vegetables. If you are growing fruits in your garden, that means it's necessary to use wood as comparison to bone meal. Gardener use mostly green manure, coco peat, and other sands that make soil more acidic. It may be below 4, so that is the necessary to use. Next reason why you should use wood ash: repel pests, snails and slugs, hate wood ash, and some more aphids and all that are away from wood ash. Next reason why should use wood ash: it's perfect for heavy feeders, the fruits plants or the vegetables that are heavy feeders, fruiting very heavily. They require wood ash in moderate quantity. It is very much required on flowers. If you are putting flowers nearby your fruiting plant and vegetables, that is required to use wood ash on that, because this is very much required for nutrient, as a nutrient for flowers. To use wood ash: sprinkle lightly on soil, don't overdo it. Too much can make soil alkaline. And mix with compost for balance, slow release fertilizer. Next alternative is just like a multivitamin for plant, it's banana peel. Banana peels are an amazing all natural fertilizer packed with a nutrient. Number one, high in potassium and phosphorus, perfect for the flowering and fruiting plants like roses, tomatoes, and peppers. Calcium boost help prevent blossom and rot in tomatoes and squash. Attract beneficial microbes as they break down. They improve soil life and boost plant immunity. How to use banana peels? Worry chopped peels around plants for slow release nutrient. Soak peels in a water for 24 hours as a liquid fertilizer. Dry and grate them into the powder for easy mixing into the soil. In the last shot, dish bone meal and choose nature's best fertilizers. Instead of bone meal, try wood ash, balance pH, boost potassium, repels pest, banana peels packed with the phosphorus, potassium and calcium, compost, rock phosphate and excels long-term organic nutrient. Go natural, go sustainable, and let's your